Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Explainer: when EU embargo comes, where will Russia sell its crude oil? Russia has ramped up oil shipments to Asia since Europe imposed sweeping sanctions, but still needs to reroute over a quarter of its crude export away from Europe, or about 1.3 million barrels per day. When a full oil embargo hits in December, Russia exports around 20 million tons of crude per month, roughly 5 million barrels per day (BPD), via several routes, including the Druzhba pipeline to Europe and others to Asia. In August, Russia's total exports via European ports and the Druzhba pipeline amounted to 12.5 million tons, of which around 5.5 million tons, or 1.3 million BPD, were shipped to countries that will stop importing Russian oil from December 5. Russia has to find new buyers for that crude, which could require cheap prices and special terms while also facing costlier logistics to deliver for more remote destinations, traders said. Russian Urals oil has always been a grade for Europe. Now to reach new markets, one has to ship a cargo outside Europe amid rising worries about transport costs, insurance, and timings, a trader in the Russian oil market said. The United States and European Union are also working on a price cap for Russian oil, arguing it will help reduce revenues for Moscow while keeping global energy prices low. Moscow has said it would not slip oil to countries that impose a cap, and trades say they can't see the measure working. Russia is very unlikely to work with a price cap. It doesn't make sense for Moscow both politically and economically. It's much easier for it to negotiate private deals than publicly commit to some price limitation dictated by the West. Another trader involved in Russian oil trading told Reuters. Russia exported 8.85 million tons of Urals oil on August from its European ports, of which India, China, and Turkey, which are not expected to join the embargo, bought of about a half, while the rest went to Europe. Russia also supplies Europe with around 3.2 million tons of oil per month via the Druzhba pipeline. The route is technically excluded from the embargo as Hungary, Slovakia, and the Czech Republic want to continue buying from it. But the top buyers from Druzhba, Germany, and Poland want to stop purchases from 2023, which means about 2 million tons per month will need to find new buyers. Rerouting oil from Druzhba will be a tough task, as Russian oil ports have limited export capacity, and sellers will have to arrange more tankers, traders said. Russia can't reroute large quantities of Urals to its Siberia Pacific Ocean or ISPO pipeline, which is already pumping near capacity. That makes shipments via Europe and the Suez Canal the only possible routes for Urals crude to Asia. Even if Moscow offers more favorable terms, India and China are unlikely to be able to buy much more Russian crude, as they have several long-term contracts with rival producers such as Saudi Arabia and the United States Emirates. Russian companies already offer discounts, shipping costs, and insurance cover payments options and other perks to keep buyers. A source with an Asian oil trading company said Russian firms will also have to change the way they sell crude. Asian oil markets have a much earlier trading cycle than the European market. As of mid-September, Asian buyers are trading December loading cargoes, while Europe is still pricing October loadings. To avoid relying exclusively on China, India, and Turkey for sales, Russia has tried to court smaller players, traders said. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.